Here at Formula Honda, we have a Drive Shield certified 2016 Jeep Wrangler. Here's a quick look at the outside of the vehicle. Now let's take a look at some of the features inside. This vehicle seats 5 passengers. It also has latches on the roof so that it can be removed. This vehicle also has steering wheel cruise controls. It has a built-in navigation system, Bluetooth audio, AM, FM, and satellite radio. It has a CD player, USB, and auxiliary inputs. Also has power windows with automatic front windows. We have our climate controls down below and many more great features.